Gronk AI app. So what is that? So usually this is, if you're searching for that, usually you just search for Gronk app, which is, XAI app, which you can use. This is probably you just misspelled that, but because it's kind of Grok AI. So it's not Gronk, it's Grok. But there are also some like copycats like Deep Gronk AI chatbot Gronk AI. So if you're looking for this app, that's you can also do that. Probably this company also named their app Gronk AI because a lot of people actually misspell that and search for Grok, and they then just land on Deep Gronk AI. So yeah, you can then just open it up, and then you can just continue with Apple, create an account. Again, so this is a separate app called Deep Gronk AI. This is not Grok app. I'm just showing an example. And then you can see what is that. So it's kind of like a one app for all, kind of, where you have all of these models in one app, like DeepSeek, Gemini, Grok 3, Perplexity, Llama, GPT-4o, Get Smart Answers, create images from pure imagination. And then yeah, you can just tap let's go, and you can see lifetime $75. So as you can see, super cheap price, and you do not need to pay like DeepSeek $20 per month, Claude $20, ChatGPT. Instead, all of that you just pay once $75 and you have access to all of these models. Now, I don't guarantee that this is actually will happen and you will have lifetime access, because seems the deal is too good to be true. But at least maybe you can pay weekly $7 per week, still save money and have access to premium models, or yearly $75. GPT Nano, if you wanna, so that's one free model, and then if you wanna have access to premium models, you need to upgrade, just like that. And then there is image generations, and there is profile, gift app to friends. I don't know, do they have some kind of, no, they don't have. But yeah, that's kind of the idea in here, what you can have. And so something like that. And as you can see, that's what it is.